Yeah, that's pretty gross. So I've just collected my trailer because I've got a job to do with that, and I thought I would introduce you to one of my old cars. Let's go and take a look and I'll tell you about it. It's always a bit of hassle getting the trailer out of here because that barn has been condemned, and with that fence there, there's not much room. But this is my 1997 Primera GT. I've owned it since it was 6 weeks old. It then went to my parents for a number of years before I got it back in 2013, I think it was. I paid £60 for it because the clutch was on its way out. My dad had just put a tank of fuel in it, which was 60 quid. So he said, give me 60 quid, you can have it back. And to be honest, it's my all-time favourite car. So I've got a set of keys here. I've got numerous Primera keys, and I'm not really sure which one opens it, but let's have a look inside. And I think it's been here, it's got to be here about at least 8 years, and I think I have run it during that 8 years, but it certainly hasn't run for the last 5 years. And the alternator wasn't working last time I ran it, so I'm going to see, maybe we'll see if we can get it started, but I don't know whether mice have eaten anything under the bonnet, so I need to open the bonnet and have a look. By the way, that registration number, if you do a search on it, you won't see anything, because that was the original number plate. It's even got the original supplying dealer. But years ago, when I thought I was getting rid of the car, I took the number plate off as a memento and had it on one of our other cars for a while. So, right, let's see. Oh, first, right key first time. No, I might have to switch to the other camera because it's a bit dark. So let me just switch cameras. Okay, so as you can see, it's got the two-tone steering wheel. I fitted that. It smells a bit musty in here. In fact, it smells a bit like it may have had mice. Oh yeah, mouse droppings. No idea why that is there and where that's come from. Right. I almost daren't look under the bonnet, so let's have a look. Right, well, definitely not going to be able to start it because I might be able to start it from there, but looks like something's built a nest. Doesn't look like any of the cables have been eaten through. By the way, if you want to see more on this car, I'm going to drag it out of here probably in the spring, give it a clean, take it home, because I do want to see how bad. I know that it needs welding underneath on the floor pan there, and I know it's going to need some welding in the back arches, but I really want to get this thing back on the road. Did a lot of trips in this. Been to southern Spain, southern France, a number of times, Scotland, so yeah, it means a lot to me. So, right, I'm going to see if I can actually get power. Let me see if I can get some power to it. I'll probably have to use the jump leads. I'll just open the back door, and there's a sign of a mouse having been in the back there, eating away. Don't even look. Obviously, looking down here, there's tunnels. So, yeah, as you can see, it's a saloon as well. Very rare. It's a number plate from my old X1, which actually had this number plate on it for a while. So, right, let me see if I can get the BMW over here and get some power onto those leads. do want to just check though. Need to check whether there's any. Not really sure if I want a chance starting it, to be honest, but I would like to see if there's power there. At least I'll be able to tell whether there's any other damage anywhere, especially under the dash if there's been mice in there. Right, just switching back to the iPhone because I suddenly realised you can't see much in there with that. Let's see. Seems to be. Obviously this isn't detecting a battery, so the battery pack has to be manually activated. Trouble is, there might not actually be even any fuel in there, to be honest. Probably something I should have checked. Let me have a look. Turn the lights on. Let's see. Yeah, the fuel gauge isn't moving, so 120,000 miles. Okay. This is a job for another day. Just thought I'd take a quick look in the boot and just see anything's been in here. Yeah, there's mouse droppings in here too. Where the mice are, who knows? Stinks. So let me know if you want to see some more videos on the Primera. I will make it a priority, maybe March when the weather starts warming up a bit, to get it home, get it cleaned and see what's actually going on with it. So, till the next one, see you later.